Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. Thank you for coming to my channel back. This is your answer, and we are solving number system exemplar question number 1. We're being given this express 0.6 plus 0.7 bar plus 0.47 bar in the form of P upon Q. Now, if you notice one thing, I've got 0.6. Straight simple. I can very well write this as 6 upon 10. This is the first thing. Second thing, I have got 0.7 bar. How will I write this number? If I want to write this number, I can write this number like this. Go on continuing. And I need to convert this into P upon Q form. Then I have got 0.47 bar. Now look at this very carefully, kids. This is 0.47 bar. What does that mean? That means that it is 0.47777. This number and this number, this number and this number. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Look at what is the difference in it. Once you understand it, then it will be very easy to solve it. Now let's get into our PPT. First thing first, I've got this. I'm solving for this. I can write this like this. I'm keeping on my right hand side. What do? I can write the first one, that means I have solved it 6 upon 10. Now let me look for the second one. That is 0.7 bar. And that is what I'm writing like this. I'm writing, giving an equation number 1. Second, what I'm doing, multiplying both the sides of equation by 10. And what do I get? I get 10x is equal to 7.77. Continue. And what am I giving that equation? Equation number 2. What do? Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So what do I get? I get 10x minus x is equal to 0.777777 minus 0.77777. I get 9x is equal to 7. And I can write x is equal to 7 upon 9. So what do? I replace this particular thing. Now, this one I have written in this form. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one. Erase this off completely. Now, I'm looking for the third one. 0.47 bar. And that is how I can write like this. 0.4777, and this is equation number 3. Then multiplying equation 3 by 10. Why am I multiplying by 10? Because I have got a number called as 0.4777 like this. Okay, this is continuing. So I don't want this. I want this to come to this side. And that is the reason I am multiplying this equation by 10. This is a very important step. Hope you have understood it. Okay, then when I multiply, I get this. This is equation number 4. Now what I'm doing, I'm multiplying again both the sides by 10. Now I've got the same format which I need to, it's very simple for me to solve it. Gets into 100 is equal to 47.77777. Okay, then next is I'm subtracting equation 4 from equation 5. And what do I get? I get 47. This one, my 7.7777 get cancelled out. What do I left with? Now this 100y minus 10y gives me 90y. And what happens over here? This whole thing gets cancelled. And what is left? 44 minus 47 minus 4. And that is 43. Okay. This is the key step for you to understand. And what do I get? 43 upon 90. And what do? I replace that from there. Now, LCM. Grade 9 child, you would be knowing what LCM is. Erase this off. So my answer for this question is 167 upon 90. Hope you have understood it. Making a short video using PPT and everything. Have a lovely day. Give me your comment and how do you feel the solution? How is the explanation? How is the time that I'm using shorter time? Okay. Have a lovely day. Take care. Thank you very much for watching me on my channel.